saying in front of you, respected Conservator Saab, respected Chief Secretary Saab, respected Secretaries Forest and Wildlife Department Saab, that I will fight for the right thing and I don't fear anyone but I fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If in case anything happens to me or my family, any member of my family, then the responsibles will be Khan Mohammad Bhagat, Inspector Wildlife Department, Khadim Hussain Bhagat, Taxidermist, Assistant Taxidermist, Sindh Wildlife Department, posted at Karachi but sitting at home since they're joining, Mujib Bhagat, Assistant Taxidermist, Sindh Wildlife Department, appointed in KPSC scheme in Wildlife Department, but he is also sitting at home since his joining. As I want to show respected Conservator Saab that I did this complaint to you directly. I hope you can see, and you have this copy also. And the father of Assistant Taxidermist Ghulam Rasool Bhagat is also threatening me and my family, on which I have done a complaint in concerned police station near to my home in Karachi to the SHO Baloch Colony East Zone, and copy is forwarded to SP East and DIG and IG Sindh Police Karachi. I hope Conservator Saab, you will take strict action against them and provide security for me because of their libelous act to defame Sindh Wildlife Department. As you are a very man of wise wisdom, I hope you can understand that if they lost their jobs, then what they can do. They are doing everything to kill me. They are threatening, they are trying to kill me. They even fired some shots at me indirectly on 12 June 2021. I hope, Conservator Saab, that you will consider my request and take a strict action against them and provide me a security. And I hope and I leave to your wise wisdom. Thank you so much.